So your Honda HR-V, remote not working, so you got to get closer to the vehicle, push the button multiple times, maybe a delayed response when locking and unlocking the vehicle, or you needing to hold the smart remote next to the ignition, start, stop button. Stop line. Let's change that battery out and see if that helps. Be the first step I would do as a locksmith. With your remote right here, all you're going to need is a brand new CR2032 battery, and I do suggest a flat tip screwdriver. It just makes it easier, but I'll show you both ways. Flip it over, and we've got the emergency release. Pull that towards you, and when you do, emergency blade comes out. Now when you look down in here, you'll see that slot. I know you want to put it in and just twist it and pop it open. Do not do that. If you do, your buttons are going to pop out. And if your buttons pop out, in the comment below will be a link to how to put your buttons in the back part of this back together. What I like to do is put it in and just twist the two, and you're here just one pop like that. Then I like to put it down, buttons down, that little slot that was in there, take my key and put it in there and use that as a little pry tool. Holding the bottom piece right here down, let's pop that back piece off. There you go. Now you can turn around and use your finger and push in if you got fingernails to get it to pop up. I don't have fingernails, so I like to take my flat tip and come in right under that little corner, push it in, and when you do, you just slowly rotate, and that side popped up. Walk over this side over here and twist it, and the battery popped right out. Now, let's go ahead and grab a new battery. It's not product placement, these are just the ones I use. Now, positive side up. We're going to reverse, put it in. This piece first, push in, push down, and you've seen a little red light pop. Okay, sorry, I had the phone ring. So we got the battery in. Take this housing, the back of it. I like to push down on it, and when you do, squeeze. That side snapped, work your way around and it snapped. Put your emergency blade back in. Hey, if you found this video helpful, if you would, leave a like, comment down below, and remember, let's be safe out there.